The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a strong follow-up to Google's fast foldable phone with a huge 8-inch display, slim design, and longer battery life. But the weaker software and camera improvements make it a tough sell at $1799 US, especially when compared to rival devices like the OnePlus Open. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold pre-orders are available right now and it will go on sale starting on September 4 in just two plain colors, Obsidian and Porcelain. I wish that Google offered at least a third color option just to give people something else to consider, even if there are several brightly colored Pixel 9 Pro Fold cases available for this device. I also think it's a tough position with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's base starting price of $1799 US with 256 GB of storage. While that's easier to swallow than the outrageous $1899 US cost of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the US, it's nowhere close to the OnePlus Open's lower cost of $1699 US, which is made better with sales and trade-in offers that get the price down to as low as $1399 US. It's also worth noting that the OnePlus Open comes with a whopping 512 GB of storage with the base model, making it tougher to justify the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's value. Almost instantly the moment I first saw it, I thought to myself that this should have been the original design for the Pixel Fold. I am struck by the improvements, specifically by the new aspect ratio, sturdier hinge design, subtle crease, and the smaller bezels around the main display. There is also the new camera arrangement on the back, which ditches the horizontal bar in favor of a rectangular cutout. Even more impressive is just the overall solid construction of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which was one of the criticisms I had about the original Pixel Fold. It didn't feel as polished, so I'm ecstatic that it feels much more substantial. It's also one of the skinniest and lightest foldables around at just 0.2 inches unfolded and 0.4 inches folded, while tipping the scales at a modest 9.1 ounces. Everything about the design of the Pixel Fold 9 Pro is fantastic, including its IPX8 rating, but it is still shy of matching the stylish looks and incredible construction of the OnePlus Open. For a foldable phone, Google doesn't skimp out on the cameras with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. On paper, the specs seem all too familiar: a 48 megapixel main camera, 10.5 megapixel ultra-wide, 10.8 megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 10 megapixel selfie shooter. However, there are some minor differences related to their aperture and field of views that benefits the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. In addition to a robust camera system, I really enjoy the Pixel Camera app because of the shooting modes it offers. New this year is the introduction of the Mode You Look feature, which displays these animated cartoons on the cover screen to attract the attention of kids and keep them looking at the camera long enough to get a decent shot. I tried it on my young nieces and nephew with great effect. Other camera features new this year include a revamped panorama mode and the Add Me feature that uses augmented reality and AI that allows the photographer taking the photo to be part of the photo later on. I have tested this as well, and the guidance it tells me with the help of AR ensures the photos framed perfectly. Here are some camera samples of Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Seriously, this is exactly what the original Google Fold should have been from the start because the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is much more polished in every way. Its new redesign makes it look and feel like a more modern foldable, but I was expecting so much more to justify at $1,799 cost. All of the new AI features certainly elevate its worth, but it would have been much more satisfying to see it getting more exclusive features just to give it a bit of distinction over the slate Pixel 9 Pro models. I am also disappointed that the camera upgrades are minimal at best and how the overall software experience doesn't change all the much functionality. Google addresses many of the shortcomings of the original, but the bar has been set higher by other foldables like the OnePlus Open and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Needless to say, it's much better than its predecessor, but it still comes up short of matching the value that its contemporaries offer.